Two-factor authentication not working on Equitise Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Equitise, you're not alone. Many users experience this issue when trying to log into their investment accounts, but the surprising truth is, the fix is almost always simple and fast. The first thing to check is your phone's clock. Two-factor authentication relies on exact timing, and even a few seconds of difference can make your code invalid. Go to your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and confirm your time zone is correct. If you're using an authenticator app, open it, find time correction for codes, and tap sync now. Next, update both your Equitise app and your authenticator app. Outdated versions can desync and cause login failures. Head to your app store, install the latest updates, and then try again. If you're using some codes and not receiving them, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, or switch your network connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Network congestion can delay message delivery, especially during busy hours. If you've changed phones, deleted your authenticator, or restored your device recently, you need to reset your FA. On the Equitise login page, tap Can't Access FA and follow the verification process to regain access. Once you're in, set up two-factor authentication again to protect your account. Here's a quick but crucial tip: save your backup recovery codes in a safe place. These codes can instantly restore access if your phone or authenticator is unavailable. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Equitise, take a moment to troubleshoot. Sync your time, update your apps, and check your connection. With these quick steps, you'll be back in control of your investments safely and securely.